Story time of how a USCIS officer tried to trick my client into incriminating himself so that he can get deported at his green card interview. My client was applying for a green card through marriage, and I attended the green card interview with him at his local USCIS office. At the interview, the officer went through his criminal history, which is very normal. But this particular client was arrested of a few crimes in his past that he was never convicted of. Why? Because people get wrongfully arrested for crimes that they never committed every day. So the officer then asked him a series of routine questions like, were you ever arrested of a crime? To which he said yes. But then she asked, have you ever committed a crime? He looked a little bit confused even though we prepared for this because it was very similar to the first question. She looked directly at my client and she's like, you already admitted that you were arrested of a crime before. I'm just asking a similar question. Have you ever committed a crime? I looked right at my client. I said, you know that the only person who can say that you have committed a crime is a judge in a criminal court. Not me, not this officer. Thankfully, he remembered how we trained and he said, no, I have never committed a crime. Because this particular crime that he had been arrested for but not convicted of was a deportable crime, meaning if he would have admitted to it in the interview, he might have been denied and placed in removal proceedings immediately. He ended up getting approved, he got his green card a week later, but in the future, do not admit to crimes that you have never committed.